Hey everybody, so I'm going to be doing another Artcade tutorial, and this time we're going to be doing it based on, something a little bit more traditional. I think that's how I'm going to have to keep this, is more traditional subject matter, and eventually we'll build up to doing stuff like people and stuff like that. But let's keep it to stuff that doesn't get offended if you mess it up, like mountains and trees. And that's what we're doing this time. We're going to be doing a scene from Jurassic World Evolution. If you haven't seen the game, I did a highlight video of my full playthrough, or at least start to my full playthrough, on the highlights channel. I'll link it at the end of the video. For this, you will need basically the same paint that we've been using. So all these are Liquitex Basic. So Liquitex Basic Raw Umber, Liquitex Basic Cobalt Blue Hue, Liquitex Basic Titanium White, Liquitex Basic Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue, 16 by 20 canvas of some sort, and last but not least, the new paint that you'll need to buy, Mars Black Liquitex Basic. The fact that it's Mars Black is actually fairly important. We're going to be talking a little bit about the hidden colors in every single color during that stream, so make sure you get exactly those colors. It doesn't have to be Liquitex brands, but there will be affiliate links in the description of this video, so you guys can go and get what you need. This day and time was voted on via the patrons on my Patreon page. If you want to be a Patreon subscriber, it will pop up right here along with that highlight video I was talking about. Anyway, see you guys on Wednesday, hopefully. Bye!